Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours?
Right, we've just called up the meet and greet. So I'm going to show you the walk from Manchester Airport Short Stay Car Park Terminal 2, or the meet and greet, which is at the top level, and the Holiday Inn. So this is the meet and greet car park, but this is the Terminal 2 East car park. So the meet and greet here is on the top and all the self parking's below. So if you meet and greet, you just pull through there, it scans your car, and then you just leave your car here. Then you walk into the terminal, which you don't have to do if you just park downstairs in the short stay. I'm not sure about the price difference, it might not be much more expensive. You can already see the Holiday Inn over the other side of that there. So we're going to walk into Terminal 2 anyway, just to show you the walk from Terminal 2. But if you're in the meet and greet, you have to walk this way anyway to drop your key, just up there, up this way, through that door. You can walk up inside the terminal. There's the place where you drop your key for the meet and greet there. So either way, we'll show you from Terminal 2 over to the Holiday Inn, the walk. It says meet and greet reception. So if you are at the meet and greet, you just have to go down in these lifts here. You're going to go down. And you'll see there it actually says, look, Holiday Inn, and also the IBIS budget hotels there as well now. So there's one called Tribe, one called Radisson. Tribe's over the other side, Holiday Inn and IBIS are together on this side. So really close to Terminal 2.
Arriving.
So we're just going to come out of this lift now.
Gate opens.
He's in a rush. So it says it's this way. Let's have a look. Holiday Inn, there's a big sign there, Holiday Inn. So obviously you do this in reverse in the morning when you come into the terminal to check in. So this is the meet and greet's on the top of this car park here, but all this is short stay parking, but you can pay and park here for a week or whatever. I did see McMaster saying he parks in here and he actually just pays rather than meet and greet, because it's not really any more expensive. But the meet and greet's pretty good here. What you do with the meet and greet is you take your key, you drop it in an automated thing there. When you come back, you come down to this bottom floor and you get your key out of basically a lockbox with a barcode scanner they give you. So is it down here? Looks like it is. Oh look, I think there's a walkway, is there? Down here, maybe? So it's not far at all, is it? And presumably you can get across this road somewhere, can you? Holiday Inn, yeah. There's a crossing. Oh, it's freezing. We're looking forward to getting to 25 degrees in Abu Dhabi tomorrow, I can tell you, for Christmas. So this is the Holiday Inn. So it's not far at all, is it? And I don't know where I think the IBIS is in there as well, because the sign for the IBIS is there. We'll have a look. So what you can do is you can actually, what I did is I dropped the family off with the cases. You can pull up in here to drop your cases off, but make sure you go in and you do put in your registration number at the desk, because it gives you 1 hour. If you don't do that, you will get fined. So make sure you do that. So you just drop off around here, and the IBIS is around here as well. So the IBIS is over there, look.
Hello, mate.
So this is where you drop off. And then what you do is you just come back out, turn left out of here, and then go round the roundabout and come back round. So as you can see, it's a busy hotel. Turkish restaurant. Turkish restaurant down there. Not very big. Right, we'll go up to the room. Just need to see which room we're in. So we've got twin rooms here. Little desk there. As I say, it's really modern. It looks brand new. We paid £120 a night, I think, for this room. So given its proximity to the terminal, literally a few minutes walk, it's really good. So somewhere to hang your coats and put your case there. Oh, there's a little fridge. Little fridge there. In case you need that. Tea and coffee. Plenty of plugs about. And there's USBs over by the bed, which is good. And the little bathroom is pretty smart. Very modern. Shower. Big shower. Nice. Sink. We've got that make of toiletries. Yeah, so I'm really impressed with the money, £120 a night. We normally stay in the Radisson, so it's a really good price.